If you're doing even one of these, you're losing years of your life. Not slowly, not eventually, but right now. And the scary part, you probably do them every single day. You wake up with plans. Today will be different. Today I'll focus. Today I'll improve. But somehow, the day disappears. You scroll, you delay, you avoid, and at night, you feel it. That quiet regret. You know you're capable of more, but you're not doing it. This is not laziness. This is not lack of talent. This is something more dangerous. Habits that are quietly destroying your future. 1. Waiting for motivation. You say, I'll start when I feel ready. But that moment never comes. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings change. If you depend on motivation, you will always be inconsistent. Discipline is doing it when you don't feel like it. The successful don't wait. They act. 2. Wasting time on distractions. Look at your screen time. Be honest. Hours gone. Scrolling, watching, consuming. You think it's harmless, but it's stealing your future. Time is your most valuable asset, and you're giving it away for free. Every hour wasted today becomes regret tomorrow. 3. Fear of failure. You don't start, you don't try, because you're afraid to fail, afraid to look stupid, afraid of judgment. But think about this. Failure is temporary. Regret lasts forever. Okay, you don't lose when you fail. You lose when you don't try. 4. Comfort addiction. You choose easy. Easy entertainment, easy choices, easy life. But easy comes with a hidden cost. It keeps you exactly where you are. No growth, no progress, no change. Everything you want is on the other side of discomfort. 5. Negative environment. Look around you. The people you talk to, the content you consume, the conversations you listen to. If it's negative, if it's small thinking, if it's full of excuses, it will become your mindset. You don't rise above your environment. You become it. 6. No clear goals. You say you want success, but what does that mean? More money? Better life? Freedom? That's not a goal. That's a wish. If you don't know where you're going, you will go nowhere. Clarity creates direction. Direction creates results. 7. Not investing in yourself. You spend money on things that don't matter. Entertainment, trends, temporary pleasure, but when it comes to learning, you hesitate, you delay, you avoid. Your knowledge is your future. The more you grow, the more your life changes. The more your life changes. The more you grow. Now listen, don't try to change everything at once. That's how people fail. Start small, but start now. Replace one bad habit with one good one. Reduce screen time by 50%. Read or learn for 10, 20 minutes daily. Write your goals every morning. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Small actions repeated daily create massive results. Your future is not created in one day, but it is created every day. Right now, you have 2 choices. Stay comfortable, stay distracted, stay the same, or take control, build discipline, and change your life. 1 year from now, you will either say, I'm proud I didn't quit, or I wish I started earlier. Start today, or stay the same forever. If you're serious about changing your life, subscribe.